Guys, here we are with our fried rice. I'm just going to sprinkle some parsley to it. And that's it. We're good to go. Fried rice from our pantry. So for the fried rice, guys, what we're having today, I have a few raw shrimps, the biggest one, jumbo ones, already deveined, but I left fresh. And I have here green onion, garlic, pepper, mixed vegetable, cooked rice. The rice is already soy sauce, and curry. Let's go. Oh yeah, before I forget, we have eggs. So we have raw eggs. So the rice is frying. It's gonna fry to this extent. And I've been frying it for like 3 minutes. You know, make sure it's dry before you even start putting in the oil. And then I add it here to the bunch of the ones that are ready. So now let's start from beginning. Okay, just put some oil, any cooking oil of your choice, on the pot. Okay, the rice is dry. Please don't put wet rice in it because it's going to splash. The best rice to use for this fried rice is leftover rice, the one you cooked yesterday or so and you don't want it anymore. Adding this, I'm adding the rice in there. So, and as I'm frying it, I add the sesame oil. The sesame oil, I add it. That is what gives it that special aroma that the regular Chinese fried rice has. Okay, so we fry it, and I will bring you guys back when I've gotten to the extent where I will add other things in it and mix it together. As you guys see, I'm going to add the egg in the middle. Okay. So this is just a very easy recipe. This is a recipe actually for, you know, as I said, it's leftover rice. You know, you like, what am I going to do with this rice? And just juice it up a little bit and give your children Chinese rice, and you will not believe how much I used to prepare this. I'm going to write it in the description. You will not believe it. This is really like pantry fried rice. All the leftovers you have in your pantry, put it together, and it's going to be amazing. So delicious. So the egg is crumbling a little bit. See, I just scramble it together with the rice. You know, leftover. Scramble, use your wooden spoon and just scramble the egg together with the rice. Fry them together. It also makes it taste very, very special too. Because the egg also is very, very delicious. Fried egg scrambled together with it. So I'll make another well. And now I'm adding the shrimp. So I'm adding the raw shrimps. That's the only actually the only protein real apart from the egg I'm adding to it. And still it's gonna look so rich by the time it's done. I'm gonna let it fry and be like pink. Look at, as it's frying, the shrimps, you see it was gray when I put it in there. So as it's frying, it's turning like pinkish reddish. Good, yeah. Okay. Oh my goodness, we didn't see the rest. Okay. So as it's frying, you can see, oh my god, isn't it so colorful and so delicious? Look at it. This red stripes are just habanero pepper that I pitted. I took away all the spicy. I took away the seeds, so it's not so spicy. So I just needed the color and the aroma in it. You know, so it looks, doesn't it look so happy, like very happy looking fried rice. And it doesn't take time. By the time before you say 1, 2, 3, it's cooked, it's done. So I'm gonna, by the time I get everything out, I'll bring out the shrimp because I don't want it to overcook. I'm waiting for it to cook a little bit more. I will bring it out and then continue the other procedure of the rice. Just to so I'm adding the vegetable. These are the mixed vegetables. Like I said, pantry leftovers. Everything you have in your pantry. Here it has carrot in it. It has green beans. It has corn. I just like the color. Okay. So, how happy is this fried rice? We're having fried rice, and we don't need to buy Chinese today. How about that? I'll see you guys soon when I assemble everything. So now put all the ingredients together. The next thing to do is to taste it. Just taste it and make sure it is the way you want it. If it needs more salt, more anything, then what I know it needs a little bit more moisture. So I have chicken stock here next to it, so I'm just going to add a little bit of the chicken stock. So that should do the miracle. So just turn it together. I'm adding a little bit of salt because I saw it needed a little bit more salt. And a little bit of the seasoned salt. That's enough. So turn it around. Oh my God, isn't this wonderful? Look at how delicious it looks. Amazing. So just put it and then let it steam. Just let it steam, and in about 10 minutes rice is ready. So fried rice straight from the guys. Here we are with our fried rice. I'm just going to sprinkle some parsley to it, and that's it. We're good to go. Fried rice from our pantry. Just pantry food making into fried rice. Thank you so much today, and feeling that choose be spelled.